Hi, my name's Jack Ware. I'm with Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon. Now we're going to look at the 2016 Thor A.C.E. It's the 29.2 floor plan. This does have an onboard Onan generator. It's a gas generator. It's a Thor A.C.E. like I said. It's got great basement storage fore and aft. You've got an outside television set, a full awning. And on the inside, beautiful coach on the inside also. Deep rich cabinetry all the way around on this. Large television directly across from your convertible sofa bed. A full dinette. You do have the overhead bunk on this one also, so you've got more sleeping capability up there. So you've got one adult up there, one adult over here, one adult over here. That's 3, and then 2 for in your bedroom. Beautiful cockpit up there, wood accents on the dash. Full wardrobes for your coats and stuff of that nature. Netted overhead carry bins. Here is your control panel. Then you've got your full bathroom. Corian countertops, commode, lots of room in here. Over here we got a microwave oven, a 3-burner cooktop, and a large gas oven. That sits right next to your 3-way Norcold refrigerator. Plenty of room in that one. And then go back to your walk around queen size bed, wardrobes on each side, stereo systems back here, beautiful setup back here, nice and comfy and cozy. This will give you a lot of fun. Any questions, give me a call at 541-654-1820, or you can email me at jack.ware@guarantee.com. Thank you very much for your time.